When music gets hard, come see Professor Lee. Euph.
Hey guys, I'm Professor Euph, and I'm here to tell you guys today how to make practicing fun. We've all been there, practicing sucks, believe me, I speak from experience. But I was able to find a way to make it a little more entertaining, and it barely takes 10 minutes of your time. It's essentially you take your normal routine, of warming up, scales, going through etudes, concert music, whatever, and you spice it up with some theme songs, pop songs, jingles, from like commercials, just anything like that. It can be very short things, and sometimes I make a whole practice session just out of those things, because playing music, period, is beneficial. You don't have to always be focusing on scales for half an hour to make yourself a better player. So, I like basic jingles like the Nationwide jingle, I like the Friends theme songs, and really any type of pop song. You can always find free sheet music like everywhere. Sometimes if you have a good ear, you can write down your own music. That takes a little bit more time, obviously. But believe me, there's plenty of sites out there with like free sheet music and stuff, and I can put links in the description for you guys, make it a little bit easier. But as long as you put them into your normal practice routine, or at least make 5 minutes of where you're just doing that a day, you'll be a much better player out of it. Believe me, some of the best sight reading happens when you're trying to read pop songs. Because even though you have the song in your head and you know how it goes, sometimes trying to then follow the rhythms with how they sing it, a lot harder than you think. And then that translates pretty well to your etudes when you try to play them, or concert music and whatnot. So there's a lot of different options. The point is, no one said practicing had to be boring, even though it doesn't seem like the most recommended way to practice by playing jingles and theme songs. It still helps. They say just playing a little bit a day or every other day of jingles, or maybe even concert music or scales, makes you a much better player in the end. You don't want to just practice 1 hour a week. It doesn't do much for you no matter what you practice. So it's a little bit every day, a little bit every other day, and the theme songs and jingles are perfect to make your session, 5 minutes if you want it. Whatever you can fit into your schedule. Anything helps. So that's really all I wanted to say. I hope this video was useful, and have fun practicing.